ali mogu koristiti studenti u edukativnim svrhama.
So CEU is an incredibly important project. The Makeathon has focused on the Sustainable Development Goals, trying to encourage more innovation and entrepreneurship, social entrepreneurship in 6 different EU countries. We need to expand that. We need more of these type of events to encourage our students, our staff, to have social relevance and impact on the communities that come around our universities.
During our studies at University of Gdansk, we encountered some problems and we decided to solve one of them. The CEU of Makeathon is the chance for us to appear and to make some partners from the other universities to make our application scalable and fit to other students.